This video shows how to create, manage, and archive source courses using the Courses tool in Brightspace. Source courses let you build a single, reusable version of a course, making it easier to re-offer, update, and maintain consistent content across multiple offerings. To get started, ensure that the Courses tool is enabled in Organization Tools and that your role includes Manage Courses Permissions. The following courses configuration variables control how source courses function. Department Options defines whether departments are available when creating source courses. Semester Options controls the availability of semesters when re-offering source courses. Enable Automatic Template Creation determines if a course template is automatically created when new source courses are made. Next, let's review permissions. To access the source course information page, users need the following permissions. See courses info in the course management console, see the file listing in the Manage Files, set at the source course level to be able to change the source course path on the source course information page. To create and manage source courses, roles must include the following permissions in Manage Courses, see Source Courses, tab Create Source Courses, archive source courses, re-offer courses, edit source course information. To create a source course, open the Courses tool from the Admin Tools menu and select the Source Courses tab. Click Create Source Course. You can either start with a blank source course or copy from an existing course. If you choose to start with a blank course, enter a name and code, then either select an existing template or create a new one. Remember, each source course must have a course template as its direct parent, or the re-offer function won't work. Click Save or Save and manage to finalize. If you start from an existing course, search for and select the course you want to copy, then click Create Source Course. Once the process is complete, you'll see a notification in Update Alerts confirming that the new source course has been created. You can then add content just like you would in a regular course. When adding assignments, quizzes, or discussions, make sure to review start dates, due dates, and end dates. These dates do not update automatically when the course is reoffered. D2L recommends enabling completion tracking in your source course to monitor progress across reoffered versions. Some tools, like Attendance, Class List, and SIS Course Merge, should not be traditionally used for learner engagement and enrollments due to unintended usage with source courses. Always configure these tools directly in the reoffered course. To manage an existing source course, click the name of the source course you want to manage in the Source Courses tab, then select Source Course Information. Here, you can upload or change the course image and display it as a homepage banner, edit the course name, code, and locale, or force the locale for all users. Update the content file path by selecting Choose Destination. Enable or disable the course address book. Review associated course offerings linked to the source course. Once your changes are complete, click Save to apply them. To archive a source course, first ensure that it has no associated course offerings. In the Source Courses tab, click the context menu beside the source course name and select Archive. If the course still has associated offerings, those must be archived before the source course can be archived. Archived source courses appear in the Org Unit Editor, Recycle Bin, where you can choose to restore or delete them permanently. This safeguard ensures you can recover a course if it was removed accidentally. Now you know how to create and organize content in source courses, simplifying course setup and ensuring every new offering starts with the most accurate and up-to-date content. Thank you for watching.